Good morning, class. Welcome again to your English class, and let's start with week number 3. Okay, the learning goal for today, the competence is writing, and the learning goal is to write a text giving directions. Let's just continue with the class presentation. Okay, what places can you identify? You are going to look at a picture and tell me what places do you remember, or maybe what places do you identify. Okay, maybe you can identify maybe the zoo, right? Maybe the hospital, why not, right? Maybe a store, right? So look at a picture and tell me. Okay, think about your answers, and you're going to share your answers in your class. Okay, let's continue with the learning building. Prepositions of place, and when do we use prepositions of place? Let's read. We use prepositions of place to show the position or location of one thing with another. Okay, so we are going to check some examples of the prepositions. For example, behind, in front of, next to, between, near, above, below, in, and on. Okay, now we are going to check more examples. Yes, let's read some examples. Let's read, and we are going to start with in front of. For example, the dog is in front of the man. Okay, behind. The dogs are behind the postman. Next to, or also beside. The dog is beside the bumps, or also the dog is next to the bumps. Between. The bone is between the two dogs, right in the middle. On. The dog is on the table. Let's continue with the next, that is above or over. The blue dog is over the fire hydrant. Near or close to. The dog is close to the book. In is the next one, and the example is there is a thermometer in the dog's mouth. Next to. The yellow dog is next to the fire hydrant. The next one is below or also under. You can use them both. The fire hydrant is under the blue dog. We have some extra words. Okay, let's start with the first one, that is across from. Okay, for example, the shop. Let's imagine that this is a shop. Is across from the theater, right? If you look at a picture, look at it, and there is something here in the middle, right? It's across from. You have to cross to get the theater, right? So remember that part. That is very important information. Let's continue with the next. Okay, let's check. That is go straight ahead, right? Let's continue with the next. And this is turn left. Okay, turn left. This is my left, okay, for me. And the next one is turn right. Okay, this is the right for me. So turn left and turn right, right? Now we are going to practice. We have to remember, right, the vocabulary of the words and also the prepositions of place. We are going to join these two very important topics in order to practice. Look at the pictures and complete with the right prepositions. Okay, we have a map here. Okay, so we have many places, and of course the names of the street also, right? We have the library, the bank, the police station, a store, and so on. Also a church, right? And we have to complete with a correct preposition. You have to look at a picture and complete. I'm going to give you one example, and then you're going to complete with your friends and your teacher, right? Let's see. For example, number 1, the police station is, the preposition is here, the bank and the store. Okay, so we have to look for the police station. Where is the police station? Here. And what is the information? The bank, yes, that is here, and also the store. So, what is the location of the police station? Yes, what is the location? Let's see. The police station is, what is the correct preposition? What do you think? Let's check. Is between, right? The bank and the police station. Another example, right? The drugstore is the police station. The drugstore. Where is the drugstore? It's here. And what is the another place? Is the police station. Drugstore and police station. What do you think is the correct preposition? Maybe it could be in front of or across from, right? What do you think is the correct one? The right one. Let's check. Across from. Remember that we use across from when there is something in the middle, right? Okay. The drugstore is across from the police station. Okay. So you are going to read number 3, 4, and 5 and complete with your teacher and friends. We have also more exercises. Okay. Remember that today we are going to write. So that is important for you. Thank you very much, guys. We'll see you next class and good luck. Have a nice day.